Good morning, engineering students. Are you searching for a book which covers total syllabus of R-25 for advanced engineering physics? So this is the book by TVS Murthy and MN Avadhanulu, which is published recently by S-Chan Publishers, and it is available in the market right now. We can order the book through S-Chan Publishers online, or we can purchase from Amazon as well. But cost wise, it is less in publisher account. They are giving around 20% discount, 239, and plus some transportation charges will be there. Here it's at 270 plus transportation charges will be there. So overall 50 rupees difference will become more in Amazon compared to S-Chan Publishers, right? So when come to the book, this book is designed for JNTU Hyderabad syllabus, affiliated colleges and autonomous colleges related, and it will covers almost all the syllabus. A few one unit may be different for the autonomous colleges, remaining all is same. So when come to this one, the title is Advanced Engineering Physics, publisher S-Chan, and recently published only 25, and it is in English. When come to the key features, it covers all the syllabus extensively, not only for simple exam, but it will provide complete content, and presentation is very simple and easy to read. Anybody can understand because it's an Indian author book. When come to the contents, whatever the 5 units we have, that 5 units is covered: crystallography and material characterization, quantum mechanics, quantum computing, magnetic and dielectric materials, laser and fiber optics. Then it's mainly used for R-25 syllabus of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, for all branches of first year engineering degree course. So whoever studying a first year BTech, for those people, engineering physics is mandatory. Means whether you may study in first sem or second sem. For both sems, same syllabus, and only one book covers all the things, that is Advanced Engineering Physics by TVS Murthy and MN Avadhanulu. So if you want to purchase, you can go to S-Chan Publishers and search for Advanced Engineering Physics. Then you can click here, add it to the cart. Then you can go to cart, and from there you can pay online easily by scanning. Also we can pay. Nowadays they are providing all options for payment, and give your address, we will get it. But the people who are already using Amazon and very much interested, you can search there as with the title Advanced Engineering Physics for students. Advanced Engineering Physics, we will get this, and the procedure is already you just enter buy now and add your address and pay the concerned amount, and you will get within 1 week. So this book will cover all the required things, starting with key points, then solved problems we can get, then neat notes that is helpful for us to study. Thank you. This is not a promotional, this is just for giving the information for the students and the faculty who are dealing with advanced engineering physics, so that they can purchase. This is one of the option. According to me, that may be the one of the good book. If you like any other book, that's your choice.